Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Nathanie and this is my channel. So we do makeup over here. We have some fashion and some challenges kind of vibes. And if you're new, please be sure to subscribe as well as click the bell button to be notified when I do upload, which is every Friday at 12:30. And for my returning subscribers, hello family, how are you doing? And so today I will be doing a watch me transform, as I haven't done that in a while and I felt let me just switch it up. And I'm also on my way to a first birthday, so I just felt like I might as well. And yes, I am wearing glitter and lashes and the whole thing to a first birthday. Yes, I'm that bitch. And so if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please stay tuned and I will see you next time. I will be using the ordinary high adhesive primer. I'm going to prep my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Sand. Now using my Absolute Translute by Yardley, I'm just going to set my lids. So we actually are getting ready for like a first birthday, and I'm that extra aunt and I'm gonna face beat to the gods, you know. So I'm just going to be using these two shades. Ooh, I've hit pan on like 3 shades. These two shades for my crease. And now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to deepen up the crease. And now I'm going to put glitter on. I'm going to make a mixture of this one right here and this gold right there. It literally is my favorite look, this, truth be told. And I know it's very extra for a first birthday, but it's whatever. So I'm just going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to blend around. I want to blend between where the glitter meets the matte eyeshadow, just so that there's a seamless transition. I'm going in with the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express Mascara. I'm just gonna prep my lashes for my falsies. So today I'll be mixing the 2 OG foundations that I've been loving recently. And that is the Ordinary. Sorry, it looks very tattered. I apologize most profusely. Let's fix it. I feel like always with these kinds of bottles, always gets ugly very quickly. Okay, anyways, the Ordinary Colors foundation, and this is in 3-point Y, and then I use the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and this is in the shade, I think it's Cappuccino. Yes, Cappuccino. So I usually put a drop of each or 2 drops depending on how much I want. Now I'm just mixing it up in this little thingy, and then we're gonna get some coverage up in this face. And now I'm going to conceal and highlight with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Warm Sand. Okay. So, you're probably wondering why I'm actually doing it in this shape and not in the triangle. So I was watching a video by Wayne Ross. I think his name is Wayne Ross. If not, I'll put the video down below. And he talks about how you don't need to do it in the whole triangular formation, and you literally just do it like this, because either way you are spreading it out. Because if you do it in the triangle formation, there's like a white line, so you try to make it as effortless as possible, the blend. So I'm just going to blend this out with my Real Technique sponge. And now I'm going to set everything with my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. Sorry. And now I'm going to bronze up my face with the LA Girl Blush Collection Glam. And I'm going to use this shade right here. So I'm going to be highlighting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills That Glow Kit. And I'm going to be using Golden Bronze, Dripping in Gold, and Bubbly. I like mixing the three. And then now for lip, I am going to be using the MAC Satin Twig. I'm gonna be using Twig. It's on its last like little nubby, but it's whatever. And then I'm just gonna spritz my face with the MAC Fix Plus. But you have to belly rock your XOXO.